Alright, here we are. I'll show you a better view from outside. Back in Cozumel. It's been a while since we've been here. 4 days. Alright, so anyway, but I'm in here in the Windjammer Cafe. Max is calling his girlfriend. And I'm going to sit here and drink a cup of coffee. And then we're going to go ashore for just a little bit. And then I'm going to come back and do a ship tour. Alrighty, so we'll see you in a little bit. Another thing that I did want to say here is on Carnival, bacon is only every other day. And I'll show you on the way out of here that they have bacon, like a mound of it, every day. So that's one plus on Royal Caribbean. Bacon every day for you bacon eaters. Washing the windows, pretty cool. Get all that nasty seawater off, salt water. Pretty cool.
Oh yes.
Here we are in Cozumel for the 40th time. And then next to us is the sister ship to this one. It's pretty funny. If you look over there, you see Sky Bar. If you look over here, you see the Sky Bar. You see the big screen right there. And you see the big screen over here. Identical ships. They followed us all the way from Tampa. And they also followed us in when we were on the Pride last week. Down there is the Radiance of the Seas. They were docked next to us in Costa Maya last week. And here's the coastline of Cozumel, as you've seen many times before. And we're going into this area to where last week we were behind us over on the other side. I'll show you that in a second. One of the negatives on this ship is the hallways are very, very narrow. If I extend my elbows out away from my body with my hands touching my sides, both elbows will almost hit the walls. A little bit narrow, and everybody keeps parking their scooters and everything else in the hallways. And you can hardly get by. Only the second time I've been at the Royal Caribbean dock. Seems a little weird. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun. Seems a little weird. Not really weird, but as you can see, identical ships. All right, and there's the old. Well, I wouldn't say old, but there's the Carnival dock over there. I'll show you that when we get outside here. You have your Carnival Breeze, which is one of my favorites. The Serenade of the Seas, and us, the Brilliance of the Seas. Actually, the first thing you come to is Jimmy Buffett's. The last time me and Terry were here, there was nobody here but about 8 people. Already packed at 9:15. Look, Max is thirsty. Yeah, how unusual. Now remember, the only you're not restricted to either port. You can go into where Carnival docks, or you can go in to here, and you can still walk over to each port. Just can't get past that little area right over there that you see. Other than that, you can pretty much walk around you want. If you want to go to Jimmy Buffett's, or if you want to go to Fat Tuesdays, then you go over to the Carnival Pier. And then how to get out is just walk under there, go underneath that little awning there, and walk straight out to the main street. I'll show it to you. You'll come to this round area.
I forgot my
Drugstore.
forgot my prescription.
As you keep walking around that circle, you're gonna come to this little entranceway over here. One good thing about the merchants here, not like places like Belize and other places, is if they ask you if you want to buy something and you tell them no, they pretty much leave you alone. Just say I'm not interested and keep walking. In Belize, they will follow you. And once you get up here, you're going to turn right, and that's going to take you out to the main street. All right, then you come out of these shops. This is where you can get a taxi if you want to go downtown or go for a tour or something. And then there's your main road. This is your main street. You've seen it before. Lots of policia down here. El Cid is down that way. And then the Carnival Port is just past this brick wall. Alrighty, there's the Hard Rock. There's the casino I've told you not to go into. It is not part of the Hard Rock. But they make you play in pesos. So very confusing. Do what? I think they want us to buy an excursion. I'm not really sure.
Yes, amigos, carreta, jeeps, go to buggy. Nada.
More shopping area across the street from the port. With the ruins. Or sort of. It just has liquor all the way down and all the way around. There's your main street. This is kind of where Hard Rock is, but kind of a cool way to enter the stores. You gotta cross the dock. And there's your Hard Rock, main street, the ships in the background. Shopping area just makes it pretty much like a U and then works its way back out to the street. This is your entrance to get back into the terminal. Can't really miss it. Just look for all the poles. And it is directly across from Diamonds International. Well, one of many of them. And then that is El Cid. Great place to go if you just want an all-inclusive for the day. See Leo. You can go to the ship either way. We're gonna go straight since we came from the left. Okay, did not know this, but again, I've only been at this port, well, twice. Once on a Royal Caribbean ship, and once me and Terry wandered over here, but didn't know they had a Senior Frogs as well. But they do. Twin ships.
Don't like the tequila? No? You need to try this tequila.
All right, we've seen everything we want to see over there at the port. Not going to get a drink over there. We usually do. But we're going to head back to the ship. Isn't that a nice shot of the breeze behind me, though? One of my faves. But not the fave. Most people hate the Mardi Gras, but I love it. Welcome to Cozumel. This is all Royal Caribbean's area. That is all Carnival's shops and area. Carnival Breeze. Again, one of my favorites. Won a lot of money on that ship. Little fun at the pool. One of the cool things about this ship is if you want to push the elevator buttons, you can push them here as well as on the walls. Pretty cool. As it starts to rain. So this is about 10 cruises or more in a row. 3:30. Supposed to be back on board already, but nope. But they could be on the Serenade of the Seas.
Both of them. Hanging on to the real hard.
Old Cozumel. Cool. Oh, that's pretty sick. I see the sky bar finally opened. It was closed on theirs. This is a pilot's dream in this port. We've been literally gone 2 minutes. He's already off. And that took him time to get from the bridge down to the bottom deck too. That's all we went. Radiance of the Seas, parked downtown. Can only take 2 Royal Caribbean ships down the other end. And here they are reminding us again, it's Monday. Got no appetizer. I got roasted poblano soup. I'm not sure that's what I thought it would look like. Second and final appetizer, Caesar salad. Got the spaghetti carbonara. And I got the pork chop. Hopefully it's better than the first night's pork chop, but this is a different type of pork chop.